What's going on YouTube? We have 3 plays for this week for swing trading opportunities. But before we go into these 3 trades that we're gonna share, I will go over our last plays, which were GBP Shade Chef, AUD Shade Chef, and AUD card. We just go quickly and look how these plays played out. And the first one is GBP CHF, and right now we are on the daily time frame. And I said I was looking for entry. I took some longs here. With my stop loss here, and when price started moving, and when I reached a 1-to-1, I put my stop loss to break even, and this move took me out. But what I'm looking right now, if you look at the chart right now, this still can present selling opportunities. So what I'll be looking for this week is something like this, and price study already playing out. And what I'm looking is something like this one, and I'll be looking for still looking for short position here. So if we are able to come up over there, we still be looking for short opportunities in GBP CHF. So my first target gonna be here, and the next target gonna be on the previous low. If I go quickly into the daily time frame, you can see that it's really setting up for a good short opportunity. And if I 1 second, and if I look if you look, we have a fair value gap here, a daily fair value gap here that's starting to respect. So we have this daily fair value gap. So if we can do something like this, I think we can have a good short opportunities. The next play that was in the card was AUD CHF, and I'm still looking for short position on this also. So if we can count like this, and I would look for short opportunities. I haven't taken a trade on this pair yet, but we will see this week. The next one was AD card, and AD card, I'm personally in this trade right now. I took it last week, and I had my entry around here. So right now I'm currently on this trade. Maybe I will take some partial here and try to target this level, but it's pretty big level. So we're gonna see how price plays out. The new play that we're gonna have this week, the first one is USD Mexican pesos, I think, MXN. So this is I'm looking for a short, and but right now we are on the weekly time frame. We are on the uptrend, as you can see, the higher highs and high lows. But we are coming into this level of support that's now turned into resistance. So I think we can be having a selling opportunities here. Also, the US dollar starting to become weak. I think looking for selling opportunities and this pair can be a good idea. So that's what I'm looking for. And you can see that we have a bearish engulfing candle, but this is still not good for me for an entry. So I will look for maybe a break to this and maybe a return, and then I can look for sales opportunities. So I will go into the 4 hour, maybe we can have a better idea. So yeah, if we have something like this, so that may indicate a downward movement for this pair. So I will look for something like this, and then we can sell. And while we take like a short position, and the first target gonna be this level here, and ultimately taking price to the lower level. So looking for sales opportunities in USD MXN for this week or the upcoming week. The next pair on the agenda gonna be USD card. Personally, I was looking first to sell this pair here. My first sell entry was here, but price didn't come up. The next one was here, price didn't. So we keep selling down. And right now, what I'm looking for is right now what let me clean up the chart quickly. You can see that we have a really big support here that's broken, and we have a order block on the daily. So if we can return to this level, I think it's gonna be a good level to look for sales. So what I'm looking for on this pair is a retracement to this and just simply to price to the downside. So this is how I will be presenting my sales. This and with candle confirmation or break of structure, and you can see that we have a lot of liquidity, trend line liquidity here. So if we can return, maybe we take all this liquidity. Maybe you can have your first TP here and the last TP down here. So USD looking for a sales opportunity for this week. Let's see if we're gonna be able to get in this week or the next week. The next pair on the agenda is gonna be USD Polish. I think it's the Polish currency. And you can see that we had this really big. Let me go to the weekly. You can see better. It's like a trend line that's been supporting since 2014, but recently we broke it. And if we can come back, to this level, I think it's gonna be good for sales. So looking for sales in USDPNL. And let me go to the daily time frame. If we go to the daily, see that I have my level mark here, which was like support previously, and now it's going to turn into resistance. So if we can go back to retest it, I think with candle confirmation, we can look for sales on this level. So USD PNL, what I'm looking for this week is a retracement to this and look for sales. And my first target gonna be, so we have my setup like this, first target here, and my next target is going to be all the way down here, So these are the three pairs that I'm looking for swing trading for this week, and I hope you can keep it in your watch list because it might present some selling opportunities for you. And I hope we make some money this week. Take care and thanks for tuning in. I hope to see you in the next video and have a wonderful trading week. Bye.